Hello YouTube, this is Fully Throttled, and I just got a Dick's card. I'll show you right here. More says in it, but it's right here. Just focus on it a bit. Yeah. And it had $75 on it. So I bought 2 poles, a life vest for the kayak, and there was a rod holder, but it didn't fit right. So I'll probably be sending that back or just modify it or something. But the main reason I did this video was for there's gonna be a showing of what it is, and then I just got the other one and then an unboxing. So yep. And it was I don't know if you can see that or not, but it was 25, but there was like a I don't know, it was like a sale or something, and I got 18, and they were both 18. Now I got this one I just got. There we go. And we're gonna lay it out right here. Alrighty. There's the thing. This bubble crap. And then you get to this. A little zip tie at the end of it. So, oops. And I'm opening it right now. And this is 6.6 foot, medium lure, and you know, it goes up to 14 pounds, I guess, but I always put at least either like 20 or 12. Usually I have on mine, so if I end up getting a big fish, that fish ain't getting away. And there is this right here. It has, hold on, I'm trying to read this. There's a 1-year warrant. Good. There's 1-year limited warranty on it. So if you break it, you can just go back and give me a new one. This in your probably should bring this and this, just to prove that you bought it, or else they'll be like, no, you didn't buy it. And all that crap. But yep. And I'm pretty sure you saw, how big it was. And these things right here, you can either just leave them on. Like, I eventually take them off. That's only if it's getting in my way. Like this, yeah, this is gonna get in my way. It has like a little sharp edge on it, right there. So either I'll just file it off, or I'll just cut it. Probably just cut it. This one right here actually was going to my mom. The other one you just saw is mine. And I have pretty good, pole selection. Oh, and this right here is loose. So make sure you tighten that up. I have a pretty good selection of poles that I use. Pretty soon you will see me doing a bait caster unboxing, and you'll see me out going to ponds and things and doing fish videos, something like that. But yeah, that basically sums up this video. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Go if you haven't already or something. Like, never mind. If you want instant notification, there's a bell down there. Comment on if you want me to do any other kinds, like what you want me to do for the future videos. But I can tell you that I am going to Florida. I'm going to get the trip planned out. I'm going to go down with a few friends, and we're just going to and I'm going to record the whole thing on a GoPro. I might get the 5 or the 6. I'm pretty sure the 6 is the new one that came out. I don't know. But, that's a different video from when I'm 18. But, that is the end of this video, so bye.